I want to talk about a quick algebraic thing before we get into some more geometry. And this is something that we're going to use tomorrow in geometry class. So we kind of need to make sure we've got this little algebraic topic. It's called the geometric mean. Now, mean is something you have already heard in your algebra class. And you know that the mean is you know what? You tell me. What is the mean? Think about mean, median, and mode. Good. The mean is the average of a set of numbers. Now remember, median was the middle number, mode was the one that showed up the most times, things like that. So when we talk about finding the mean, we talk about a set of numbers like this, okay? It could be 4 numbers, 3 numbers, 2 numbers. Your average is a mean. Okay, so our mean would do 3 plus 5 plus 17 plus 48 over, and there's a set of 4. So real quickly, we can add that together. So it's going to be, whoops, that is too many numbers in my calculator there. So when I add that together, I get 73 over 4. And when I divide that, I'm going to get, let's see, we'll round this to 18.25. Okay, so that's what a mean is. Now, this is only one of the ideas of mean. And in this case, this is called the arithmetic mean. Okay, because it's dealing with just adding and subtracting and multiplying and dividing, the basic arithmetic. Okay, so this is what's really known as the arithmetic mean. So now you can get a little further in your knowledge. Now, as we move further, we learn about another mean called the geometric mean. And the geometric mean is defined as such. X is the geometric mean of A and B if X over A equals B over X. Okay, that's what we mean when we say the geometric mean. Okay, remember we talked a little earlier when we did, actually we haven't done that yet, we'll talk about that later. So that's basically the geometric mean. X is the mean. Notice these two numbers have to be the same. These two numbers can be different. You don't have to have it in that order. You could have A over X equals X over B, but two of the numbers across from each other in their proportion have to be the same. The other two are allowed to be different. Okay, so find the geometric mean of 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 go there, and my geometric mean goes here. Okay, so that's going to be x squared. Remember cross multiplying from your algebra class. 4 times 6 is 24. So x is the square root of 24. Of course, we're going to simplify that. So that's 4 and 6. So my geometric mean is 2 radical 6. Okay, we can do that again. Find the geometric mean of 6 and 15. So the geometric mean of 6 and 15. So when I cross multiply, x squared and 6 times 15 is 90. So x will be the square root of 90, which is square root of 9 and square root of 10. So x is 3 radical 10. Now, sometimes they might ask us to go in the other direction. What if 15 is the geometric mean of 25 and what number? So since I now know the geometric mean, I'm going to put that in those two spots. And 25 is one of the numbers. I don't know the other number. Okay, so I'm going to take those numbers and cross multiply. So that's 25x equals 225. And I'll take and divide by 25. So x equals 9. So the other number is 9. Okay, so there's 3 different problems there. There are really 2 different problems about what the geometric mean is. Okay, so try some of those. Okay, on the back of this paper, and the questions will be asked to you. Find the geometric mean of 8 and 18, geometric mean of 3 and 7, and if 32 is the geometric mean of 16 and what number. Try those 3 real quick. Okay, so let's run through those. 8 and 18, so that's 8. I don't know the mean. So x squared equals 144. And I believe that's going to give me x is 12. How about 3 and 7? So 3 over x equals x over 7. So x equals 21. And that's as much as we can. Well, x squared equals 21. So x equals the square root of 21. And 21 doesn't break down anymore, so we can leave it right there. Last problem, 32 is the geometric mean of 16 and what? So 32 is my geometric mean, so it goes into two crossing places. 16 is one of the numbers. I don't know the other. So 16x equals, big number here, 1024. I'll divide by 16. And I got that x equals 64. Okay. Now we're going to use this tomorrow in class, so make sure you have a good idea of this. If you need to watch this again and do these problems again, do it again. Or if you need to read up on what the geometric means, Google that and read it up. Okay? Have a good night. I will see you tomorrow.